Master is a perfect entertainer for Pongal, says Kaushik. After several months of anticipation, Master finally released in theatres today with early morning shows. This Lokesh Kanakaraj directorial pits Thalapathy Vijay against Makkal Selvan Vijay Sethupathi and offers a largely engaging experience despite its 3 hours runtime. The core story is centered around a juvenile correction home and how Professor John Durairaj, JD, stops the evil Bhavani from further exploiting young kids, corrupting their naive minds and turning them into criminals. Thalapathy is terrific as expected, his fit physique unleashing an extended bare body sequence in the climax, an immense sense of style and swag, agility in action scenes, and emotional acting skills will be a feast to not just the ardent fans of the star, but even for the class audiences. The usual Vijayisms, which are the social messages, punch dialogues, extravagant mannerisms, etc., are kept under check, though they are still effective inclusions. The star makes his political stance clear and also mouths noteworthy points about alcohol addiction. Vijay Sethupathi proves yet again that he's an uninhibited performer of the highest order. He seems to have no rules or boundaries to limit his craft. Unlike Peta, he isn't made a mockery of in the end. Despite being a hardcore villain, we'd still like Bhavani due to Sethupathi's charming performance. The film does move at a slow speed and Lokesh isn't in any hurry to keep things flowing. There are multiple characters in two different settings, college and the juvenile home. Some of the characters don't have anything to do and are just noted actors making an appearance in a prestigious big star film. Arjun Das is an actor to watch out with good screen presence and a baritone voice, while Malavika Mohanan and Sibi are among the other support actors who leave a mark. The lead pair romance angle is largely toned down, and it's good to see Malavika get a role that flows with the core story. Among the songs, Vati Coming introduces a celebratory mood in theatres. The way the song has been staged and built up is fantastic. Vijay's energy and sharp dance moves are infectious to say the least. In fact, right from his intro sequence till Vati Coming, the film takes off in top gear in the early part. Some of the other chartbuster songs like Kutti Story and Vati Raid doesn't leave much of an impact visually. The juvenile kids song Pona Pogatum is part of the film's emotional core and may leave you teary-eyed as JD breaks down finally, finds his life's purpose and turns over a new leaf. Stunt Silva shines in the action choreography department. The action blocks in the metro train and the intermission block are riveting, with Thalapathy in top form. The Gilly throwback will be unforgettable. Credits also to cinematographer Satyan Suryan and Thalapathy stylists and costume designers. He looks and moves his best in Master. There is a nice I'm waiting role reversal at the halfway mark, which is another whistle-worthy moment in the film. Ultimately, Master is a different Vijay film as well as a different Lokesh film. Thalapathy just keeps growing from strength to strength, while Lokesh leaves his mark in the mass hero genre too. He makes a Kutti cameo appearance in the end credits and proudly showcases his Kamal fan image again by listing Nammavar, 1994 Kamal starrer, as part of Master's filmography. Despite its pace issues and the length, JD Vijay and Bhavani Vijay make it worthwhile. Expecting more interesting mass films from Lokesh, so here is a verdict: good fun for this festival season.